Hashtags are very important when it comes to marketing on Instagram. Your visibility depends largely on the hashtags that you use for your posts. So you should approach hashtags in the same way that you do keyword research for your website or your blogs, because hashtags can put your post in front of thousands more people and thus earn you more followers and potential customers and potential sales if you do it correctly. Okay, because the hashtags are like search words. When tagging, you can see how many posts use each hashtag, and the more posts associated with a hashtag, the more popular the hashtag. However, it's a good idea to search the hashtag yourself and see what kind of posts are using it, so you get an idea of which influencers or how these influencers are approaching that trend. Okay, so make sure that your hashtags are also relevant. That's pretty obvious. And then lastly, if you have too many hashtags, that's not necessarily good. It can actually hurt you, as it is frowned upon by Instagram, and it also makes you look desperate. When it comes to promoting products in your Instagram posts, avoid being spammy by not always trying to sell something. A good rule of thumb is to post inspiring and informative pictures and videos at least once a day. And if you don't know what to post, look at what others in your niche are posting. Then promote something maybe after every 7 to 10 posts. And don't forget to direct your followers back to the link in your bio. Now, if you can, do your own photo shoots in your own style, as it looks more genuine and more likely to lead to a sale. Okay, another option for you is to drive traffic to your blog posts or to your blog website instead, so that you can promote more products there and hopefully get more leads into your system. Another option for you is to try doing sponsored posts if you can. Sponsored posts are only available for business accounts, and one of the benefits of having a sponsored post is that it allows you to add a clickable link to your posts. And because Instagram promotes sponsored posts, it can further your reach and possibly get more followers. All throughout this video course, I've been talking about driving traffic to an affiliate page, but one alternative that I highly recommend is to drive traffic to your own website or to your own landing page, where you can collect leads and build a list. And once you have a list, you can continue to promote more affiliate products to your list. So instead of putting an affiliate link in your bio, you can put a link to your landing page instead. I also recommend that you build a funnel. So, for example, you don't just drive people to a landing page where you collect leads, but you could place upsell offers and one time offers in your funnel, so you could immediately get sales from your leads. You could even have a whole back end offer in place. So once they've gone through your funnel, now they're going to start getting automated emails from you promoting more affiliate products. The tools I use for all this are ClickFunnels and GetResponse. ClickFunnels is what I use to build my squeeze pages and my funnels, and GetResponse is what I use as my autoresponder. That's what I use to collect a database of leads and to send automated emails to people once they sign up to my list. Although these are the tools that I recommend, there are many other cheaper alternatives out there, and also free alternatives. You could even learn how to build funnels yourself manually without having any paid tools. Now, another reason you may want to drive traffic to a landing page and also build your own list is you never know if your Instagram account may get closed down. So even if your Instagram account gets closed down, at least you'll have built a list of subscribers that you can promote affiliate products to and that you have built a relationship with, and you still have a following even without Instagram or any other third-party platforms. So with that said, I hope you've learned from this video course, and I wish you the best of luck with your affiliate marketing campaigns.